Reacts. I'm Josie.
I'm Aileen.
She's back. I told you she'd be back. And today we're actually going to start watching Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 1. I've heard great things about it, and I'm excited to watch it.
Yeah, I have not heard about it at all until she asked me to come. So, surprise for me.
If you like gore, if you like fighting,
Depends.
you'll like it.
Depends, you know. I feel like if it's gore and it's fighting, but the story behind it
Yes,
is
that's
good,
true.
then I can get behind it. But if it's just like relies on the gore, I'm like,
Blood everywhere. Blah, blah, blah.
yeah.
But
Yeah.
here we go.
Here we go. I like the perspective so far. Kind of
It's like a 3D, but like the breathing.
like I'm nervous.
Yeah.
I'm out of breath.
That's like a scared breathing though.
Yeah. I feel like I'm there. I'm him. I'm tall.
You're not supposed to open the door?
Okay.
Did he open the door?
Drama. I don't know. I think we're like in a flashback.
仕事行くか。
Oh, wait. We gotta do subtitles.
It had the subtitles.
Oh, it
Said
did?
better get back to work.
Oh, I'm blind.
It just, the timing was off.
Okay.
Why does he live on the side of a road?
In a shack, in like a shed.
木切って月収6万だろ。
You can get, oh, that's a
この
different
間売っ
currency.
た腎臓が
Oh my god.
120万。右目が30万。金玉片方売って
Yeah, they're not very valuable.
いくらで売れたっけ
A little doggy!
10万もしなかったんだっけ
Or a chubby cat.
残りの借金が3804
Oh, he's paying
万
off debt.
I mean, why else would you sell your right eye? Hey!
What is that?
分かってる
Qué
って
asco.
さっさと殺しちまうか悪魔を一体殺せばだいたい30万
It's like a pet and a tool. Wow.
やっぱデビルハンターが
Strawberry.
Strawberry? I don't want to eat. That's like a demon tomato. Yeah. So. Tomato devil!
You're right. I thought it was a
こいつは
strawberry.
トマトの悪魔ですね種から復活するんでやめといてください
よくやったデンジ
So many are.
闇市で
So you fight devils that are alive.
相当いいねんだ
And you get he
報酬は40万だ
おはざっす
そこから借金と利子引いて17万さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料管理調整費
What a corrupt man.
He got played.
残りが7万この7万から
He
水道
still
代
pays
が
his
払って
bills and he's like
他
selling
のとこにしてる
bodies,
借
like
金も
body his
払わ
nut.
ないと不思議だなもう残り1800円になっちゃった家に食いもんねえし今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから
Oh.
Why is he so cute though?
But
Sure.
it's like
Little-
he's only gonna eat a piece of bread between him and his chainsaw dog.
Life is
な
rough.
んで女ガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです
俺たちにしている借
It
金を返さ
wasn't
せ
even
て
his own debt. It's his
あい
dad's.
つの死んだクソ親父のからな
悪魔を飼ってるやつにデビルハンターが務まるんですかね
ちゃんとしたデビルハンターはな俺たちヤクザに悪魔の死体流しちゃくれねえぞそれにレンジのいいところは逆らわねえとこだ
I know his little walk.
おい犬このタバコ食ったら100
Oh
円
my
やるよ
god! Now he's just excuse me. He's just fucking with him.
マジ
Because
っ
he
す
can
か
also do anything for
いただ
money.
きますあ
また悪魔が出たら夜逃げたら豚の餌だからな
He fucking sees them.
He got that money though. You
I had
gotta
to burn.
hustle. Why are his teeth so sharp?
ね
Ugh.
これで3日は食えるね
His tail is the part that like you would.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
And he has a handle on his
普
head.
通食パンにはジャム
Just carry him everywhere.
Is that a butt? What is that?
まあ俺たちは普通の
Oh, they're his cheeks.
Yeah, it looks like a butt.
し終わる気しねえし俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうなこんなボロボロには女呼べねえし
That's
Dude.
sad looking.
I mean, at least he's not alone. At least he
夢
has
叶うなら
Pochita.
女抱いてから死にてえな
It's crazy because no matter where we're at in our lives, even if like we're down or like really up, we all want love. And like that's what he's talking about right now.
Oof. That wasn't this guy, right?
It's a flashback. That's his dad. His dad killed
He was
himself.
just a little kid. Oh,
明日までに70万用意しろ
like Jimmy Rice.
じゃなきゃお前の死体をバラしてくれ
He got chopped up into bits in Miami.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it was a real story. He was
I'm
like
not
waiting
laughing,
for the
like,
bus,
that's so sad.
and parents would always use it to be like, "Call me, or you'll end up like Jimmy Rice."
Oh, that's the same? In Miami?
Yeah, because
Oh.
it was like a real story that like.
Oh, this is how they met.
どうせ死ぬんだもん
Aww.
クーゴ
It's losing a lot of
お
blood.
前も死ぬのか
Look at his little face.
カメ悪魔は血を飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある死にたくないならカメ
Little chubby legs.
俺の血はただじゃねえこれは契約だ
His sharp
お
teeth. I
前
don't
を助
get.
けてやるから俺を助けろ
Aww.
やっぱ俺も死にたくね
Now they're bonded.
Literally blood pact.
Mm-hmm.
He's pretending to be dead.
え俺はデビルハンタ
Oh,
ーに
he
雇ってあ
killed
り
the
ませんか
demon.
They're a duo, yeah. Oh,
That seems dangerous
腹減
though.
って眠れ
but
ね
too
Sleeping
hungry.
with a chainsaw?
寝れねえと
But he said
借金
too
のこと
hungry to
考えて
sleep.
もっと寝れ
That's so
ねえ
sad.
決めた今日寝たら見る夢
Aw.
Cute.
食パンに
See how his eyes
ジャム
changed?
塗って落ちたと食
So now they have this
って
bond and he knows
女
love.
とイチャイチャしたりして
He's got
一
these
緒
big
に部
doughy
屋でゲー
eyes.
ムして抱かれながら眠れんだいいだろ
He barks like a dog. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Could his story get any sadder? Dude can't catch a break.
Oh boy.
デンジ悪魔が出た仕事だぞ
We could at least feed the kid. Ugh.
Oh boy.
This guy.
So is he Yakuza or is he talked about the Yakuza? I guess as someone else.
Yeah.
見させてほしいよ
Maybe he's through the Yakuza. Like his father owned the debt with. Because he took on
Oh,
his
look, in Japan they drive on the left. Come on.
trivia.
We lost a trivia question last week.
They drive right-handed
On the left
on
side.
the left
of
side of the road.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか 見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね。あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
He's such like a happy, kind of naive person after everything he's been through, and
I
still
mean,
goes through
he had to sell his eye
his nut.
and his nut.
レンジよ
Oh my god.
俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてくれる。
はあ。
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
It's a setup.
Did he just get stabbed?
I think so.
Oh my god, and the dog?
俺た
Not
ち
the
は
dog, Pochita.
もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。
Oh my
て
god.
めえ
He's
み
a
てえに
devil.
悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
Oh,
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
ew.
僕
What
が
is that?
望むのはデビルハンターの死。デビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力がいいっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。
Zombie
その
devils.
力で
That sounds
僕になっちゃうんだけど
Zombie
ね
devil.。
僕、
Very
ゾンビの
Walking
悪
Dead.
魔だから。デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔を殺すから
So he did that for what? You're not gonna get your jet paid off. I don't think he cares, obviously.
そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
Why would you do that to him? He's
If he
been
wanted-
so loyal.
If he wanted that demonic power. Ay, ay, ay. And they have weapons.
Oh my god, and his devil dog's also been hurt.
The zombies are down.
Oh, those
not
stepped over.
those.
Oh, I think he fell.
The first zombie fell.
Idiot.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh my god.
Not even a-
Oh no! No! Stop it! Oh my god.
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃね
There? Oh
え。ただせ
god.
めて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに。
That's a lot of stabbing.
ことも叶えられねえのかよ。
That's not even a fair fight. Oh my god, he's being stabbed to death. That's horrible.
That was horrible. Why am I laughing? I don't know. But it was pretty bad.
That's how some people deal with death. It's okay, they laugh.
Okay. Good. Oh god. He's in the trash can. I mean the dumpster, not a trash can. Wow.
Oh, dude,
Why
he's like
don't-
in half.
Oh, he's gonna heal.
So you have to love anime. The impossible happens.
仕事に行くぜ。
And the horrendous happens. He
どう
died.
した俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれない。そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。
The way he
腹
eats
す
is
かし
so
て死ぬかもしれねえし、
Pochita.
他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもし
His
れない
little。butt cheeks.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。
Are they gonna merge?
ポチタにそれができるんだったら、
Oh, the chainsaw on the head.
俺の体をポチタにあげたいんだ。
His thing.
Yeah,
his
it was his
yakuza.
father set with the
墓
yakuza.
入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろ。そんでこの町を出て、そん
He's such a
で
dreamer.
普通の暮らしをして、
So
普
cute.
通の死に方をしてほしい。
You made me cry. I want a little Pochita.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Aww.
That's Pochita's memory.
Oh! Oh my he really got chopped up.
He merged.
Wow.
He did it. Oh my god.
落ちた。俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか？
What?
私は
Oh.
レンジの夢の話
Oh
を
my god,
聞
he
くの
sounds
が
as
好
cute
き
as
だ
he
った
looks.
I didn't know he talked.
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにレンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
Now he's a devil. Thick neck. I almost cried. I mean, I cried. Thick neck. I mean, he's not. He's oh. Yeah. Nice reenactment. Dude, he's gonna go take vengeance on everyone.
Yes. I mean, they really murdered him.
デビルハンター
They did chop him up into bits as he threatened many years ago. He still did it.
Oh boy.
I like how his shirt's off, but his pants managed to stay attached.
You can't be naked.
俺も同じか。落ちたがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて、もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。そうか、みんな夢見ちまうんだな。
But how does he fight
じゃあ
them?
悪いこ
I
とじ
think
ゃ
he's
ね
gonna room and then
悪いことじゃねえけど。邪魔する。
How does he know? Like,
but because that's how he turns on Pochita.
Yeah. Like, where is it gonna come from? How does? Oh, well.
I guess not. Oh my god, and he's getting eaten? Jesus.
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬ
Dude,
だ
that
ろ
is so disgusting. It's
That-
almost like a turnip.
That didn't turn out how I thought, but I think he's still gonna come out. Oh my
Brains are
god.
exposed.
Wow. Ew. You hear the rum 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 rum.
Oh my god!
Wow. Oh, and his
The hands.
I didn't see that it was in his arms.
Is it legs?
before. Wow.
That's frightening.
Dang.
Don't call him a run.
So is he gonna be like a devil that hunts devils? Oh,
Yeah, but he became a better devil, demon, whatever, than this guy did. Because he put his demon devil into him compared to Denji,
Wait, what was Denji?
the boy.
Oh, the boy's name was Denji?
Yeah. I think Pochita was talking through Denji when he was saying that. Oh,
And try again.
I like that he's orange like Pochita.
Yeah. Ew, she's so ugly. The dude has chainsaws for arms
He's just like a
and a chainsaw
chop
on his
suey on
head.
it. Dude, there's so many of them.
Denji chainsaw hands. Wow.
What a drunk. Yeah, write it down.
God. Ugh.
Right in your eyes, your head.
Oh God.
Oh, he feels the pain.
Yeah. Oh, so out of blood. Right in
the
half.
middle.
Right down the middle. Wow.
I thought he'd be covered in more blood. That was a lot of blood.
Wow. Good job.
あんたたちの方は心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだな。デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに
Devil,
悪魔は
devil, hunter, devil.
I wonder if they're like, you have to kill them in the brain like most zombies.
Oh,
What?
How did he become a zombie? I guess, I don't know what happened. He's having a lot of
Crazy
fun with
laugh,
that. That was a very, like, maniacal laugh.
Evil. I mean,
But I mean, because apparently you get all these powers, right? And he was down on his luck for so long.
he was dead.
He was very viciously murdered, and now chainsaw hands. I feel pumped.
I know. I know. Let's go cut down a tree for Pochita. Oh no, we don't want to cut down a tree.
That's the wrong one. Oh wow.
先を越されたね。
Who are these people? Look at her eye. He's like hiding in the corner.
Yeah, it's
Like a
tiring
stray.
going on a murder rampage.
君、変わった匂いがす
The
るね。
smell.
人でも
感じろ
悪魔でもない匂い。
She's not scared of
これ
him.、
君がやったの？
Oh yeah, he's tired. He's also hungry.
Poor thing. Give him a hug.
Was that a test?
I don't know, but his hugs are nice
Dude
in
hasn't
general.
been hugged. And the devil melts away.
It's melting away because of
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性
Sorry.
ないね。
For hugging
乗っ取りは顔見ればわかる
never.
わ。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
I'm so shocked. Look at his face.
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われる
He's gonna eat,
か。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
work for
One of his
hopefully
dreams was to have jam on bread.
he's gonna have all the jam on bread he wants.
See?
食パンにバターとジャム
Salad,
塗って
bread, coffee.
サラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな。
He's like,
He just wants
I
a
love
meal.
you. I love you. I get jam with bread and butter.
And coffee.
He's like, I would have never even dreamed that much.
He got salad and coffee and dessert.
Wow.
Wow.
That is a
Sometimes you just have to get viciously, brutally murdered.
and come back to
and
life.
Come back to life.
To
merge with
appreciate
your
it.
pet to have a better life.
He's such a
Wow.
great character. He never asked for anything. Pochita.
Pochita. So, well, I mean, I don't know what comes next, but I guess they like merged. Like, do you think he'll be able to like talk to Pochita with?
We can find out with episode 2.
Oh,
I guess it's
yeah.
4, so 2. 2.
Episode 8.
If you guys like what you see, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and leave a comment. We're gonna watch episode 2.
Yeah, that was great. I liked it.
Yeah.
I liked it. I'm into it. Want to see more?
Until then, see you then, and don't